So Samsung just rolled out the One UI 17 to the S24 series and even the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 just few days ago. What we are discussing in this video is the 5 major changes that you are going to see if you are someone that is choosing from S21 series to S24 Ultra. You are going to be having the same software, which is the One UI 7 that was launched with S25 series in January this year. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the country where you are watching from. So let's go into the video. Just like as I said, we are going to see 5 major changes on this new update that Samsung dropped on their devices. The first one is visual and interface update, and the second is the Galaxy AI features, and the third is the productivity and customization. The third one is the battery and security. Then the final update that will be coming up is the health and other features. These are more are what we are going to discuss on this video. So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one, which is the interface update. So of course there's a redesigned home screen and icon. So the One UI 7 introduced a more cleaner and modern look with redesigned app and icon with vibrant colors, gradients, and consistent style. So when you go to the widgets are also revamped to align with the new icon design, reducing the visual cluster and making customization more intuitive on this latest update. Now we also have split notification and a quick system panel. Okay, so if you swipe down from the top left or the center to access notification, and from the top right for a quick setting, so you can swipe left or right to switch between them. Now the quick setting panel now has 24 toggle, okay, up from the 20 toggle with a more spacious layout. Now another thing we also have is the vertical app drawer. So now Samsung have moved away from the horizontal layout. The One UI 7 offers a vertical scrolling app drawer with a search bar at the bottom, making it easier to navigate apps quickly. Now we also have the now bar. Is a pie-shaped widget on the lock screen similar to Apple Dynamic Island. Another thing that it came with is smoother animation. So animations for opening and closing applications are more fluid with a refined visual experience using curve, cycle, and subtle blur effect to give priority to information on your screen. On the camera side, we also have camera app redesign. Okay, the camera app has a streamlined interface, making it pro level tools more accessible while keeping them hidden for casual users. So the pro video model now include a zoom speed control for smoother transition. In the update, you also have the enhanced lock screen customization. So the new clock style, draggable clock positioning, and the ability to replace default shortcuts. So now we now go to the second part, which is the Galaxy AI features, which include the writing tools, which integrate across all apps. These to help with spelling, grammar, and tone adjustment, summarizing text, and auto formatting notes into bullet points. You can access them by selecting text anywhere in the OS. So we also have the call transcript. If you want to use this feature, you have to record and transcribe call in up to 20 languages with automatic transcription for recorded calls, eliminating the need for manual note taking. We also have the Samsung Avatar, which replaces the AR zone with features like AR Toggle, now available as standard app, and approved augmented reality exercise. And don't forget that we also have the floating bar on the foldables. So the device like Z Fold 6, the taskbar is now a floating dock that auto hinge, minimize screen and space. So these are the changes that come with the One UI 7 on Samsung devices. So don't forget to like, comment, and tell me how you feel about this new update that Samsung just released. See you in my next video. Peace out.